Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Calabo Beke Divine. Today I'm going to be showing you the fastest way to draw a title block using the AutoCAD mobile app. Let's get straight to business. Alright, so this is my workspace, and as usual I've already prepared the template, that's the Draw and Design Academy and how to draw a title block by DDA Creatives using the annotation. So if you're using the traditional method of drawing, let me say a title block, first of all, while drawing, I normally use my A3 paper when I was using my hand to draw. And the A3 paper has a dimension of 420 by 297. So when you now set the A3 paper on the board, you now have to like measure out the border line first, which is 1 cm or 10 millimeters, before you now proceed to drawing your title block. So we'll do all that just now. We'll do them now. So stay with me. So the first thing we'll do is to what? Get our A3 paper. So we'll be using a rectangle for that. So you screw to the icon, draw. So screw to the icon, draw. So this is it here, draw. Click on it. You see rectangle. Click on the rectangle, then you look for a good point. Let's zoom in a bit. All right, you can see zoom in more. All right, let's escape. Let's zoom in very well. All right, so now draw a rectangle. So let's specify our first point. Let's say here we drag. So we are seeing here where you put the height of the rectangle, and here where you put the length of the rectangle. So now let's say this rectangle is our A3 paper. And for the A3 paper now, this side, if we tap here, here will be what? 420 millimeters. While here will be what? 297 297 what millimeters. So we'll enter by pressing the what? Blue tick here. So we've gotten our what? Rectangle. That is our A3 paper. Let's zoom in a bit again. So what's the next thing we'll do? We'll draw our what? Border line. And the border line is going to be what? 1 cm, which is what? Which is approximately 10 millimeters. So we'll offset this rectangle inward. So to offset, we'll click on the object, that's the rectangle. When we click on it, we'll now screw from our menu to offset. We'll click offset, then we'll hover the cursor by the edges or by the, okay, so we've seen the object snap is on. So we'll drag it out. We'll now input the distance, that is 10 millimeter, that is 1 cm. You press enter or good. You see, you've offset it, so you drag it down and you tap any part of the screen. So that's it. So we are done with our border line. Next up, we'll create what? The title block. So who knows where they normally put the title block? Most people put the title block at the what? Bottom right hand side, which is over here. So let's escape this. So if we are putting our title block here, what the next question will be, what will be the what? Dimension of the what? Title block. First of all, let me put this one on do not disturb. So I'm not so focus and focus mode too. All right. So the next thing we'll do is to what? Draw our title block. Our title block will be what? The length will be what? 12 cm, and the height will be what? 5 cm, which is 120 millimeters and 50 millimeters. So to do that, we can also use the what? Rectangle. So let's click on draw. After clicking on draw, we'll screw to rectangle, click on rectangle. From this point, you drag your cursor down to this point. From here, you tap. When you see the object snap is on, you tap. Then you extend it. You now input the what? The height, which is what? 50 millimeters, and the length, which is what, 120 what millimeters. Then you press the enter. That is this good here, the blue tick. So you've gotten your what, title block. So the next thing to do is to what, let's explode this rectangle so you can erase this other part or trim off this other part. So we'll click on it to select it, then we'll look for what, explode. This is it here. You click on explode. So now it's no more a polyline, it's now a single line. So as you can see, this is the only part we want to leave. We want to erase this other part, this other part. Let's zoom in a bit. We want to erase this part and this part. We'll leave this part and this part. So that's it. So to do that, you click here, you click here, and you look for erase. So this is erase over here. You click on it and you're done. So the next thing is to what, the next step is to what, offset this line here downwards by what, 1 cm, which is 10 millimeter. To do that, you click on the line. After clicking on the line, you click on offset. You can zoom in so we can see what we are doing. You click on the line, you drag the cursor, you drag it down a bit, the object snap is on. Input what you want to input, dimension, that is 10 millimeters. You tick the, click the tick, the blue tick, and you see that's how it is. You go down again, you tap. Remember, you've not pressed escape, so the offset command is still on, and we need to offset it to get like 5 different rows. So we take it up again, another offset, we drag down, you tap any part of your screen, we take it up again, another one, you drag it down, you tap, you take it up again, another one, drag it down, you tap. So we successfully gotten our rows. This is where we'll put the name, the department, the mark number, the cost, and the date. So one more thing is to what, separate it. Now let's offset this other part. Escape, you click on the line, this is what we are clicking on. After clicking on it, we'll offset it towards this direction by what, 3 centimeter, that is 30 millimeter. Click on offset, you drag it from here, you drag it this way, you click, input your dimension 30 millimeters, click on the blue tick, you drag it this other way, and you tap. So we are done with the title block. Now is to what, input our text. Let's escape. To do that, you simply go to what, annotate. You click on annotate here, this is it here, you click on it. After clicking on it, you scroll to m text, that's multi-text, you click on it, then you drag your cursor to where you want it to be. Let's zoom in a bit. So let's tap here, then if you tap it, you can drag, okay, to any desired choice, then we tap. So now we input our text name. So we'll put all everything on bold, or no, let's not put on bold, on capital letters. So the name will be capital. Let's select a height of 3 point 3.8 millimeters. Okay, so the name, you take it, you click on it to move. When you click on it, you move, you click on move, you select the first point, zoom in a bit so you can see what you're doing. Select the first point, or any point, you can just tap here, then you drag it, let's just keep it around here, and you tap. No, it didn't work properly. Let's do it again. Move, click on the object, escape, move, move, okay, drag, tap, drag it here, and tap. So we've gotten the name. So the next row we'll put our what? The next row we'll put department. Here, what should we put? We'll put the mat number, the course, and the date. So let's do that. To do that, we'll simply tap on name, we'll copy. This is the copy tool, you copy. After copying, you can just specify any points. Let's tap here. We'll drag it down. You know, remember our object snap is on. You tap, you drag it down again. So they'll be aligned properly. You tap, you drag it down again, tap, drag it down again, and you tap. So press escape, or let's just put one more here and tap. Then we'll press escape. So let's edit it now. You click on the name, you go to edit, you delete the name, write department. We'll be using short form department. Click on this other one, go to edit, click on edit. Here we'll write what? Mat number. You click on OK to enter. You go to the next one, you click on the name, go to edit the text, delete the name. Let's write course. Remember, we are all using capital letter. You click on the OK to enter, and we click on the last one, which is the name. We edit it. That is here. We press edit. Click on it. Edit text. Then we write what? Date. All right. So we are done with this part. So the next part is to fill in this other part. So what's your name? You can put your name there. My name is Calabo Beke Divine, so I'll use my name. So edit it. Calabo Beke Divine. Press OK to enter. So you see, you can drag it and you tap, and it will arrange automatically. Press escape. So now we'll copy this text downwards. So let's copy. Click on the text to highlight it. To select it, press copy. Then you can specify a point. Let's see here. You tap, you drag it down. See your object snap is on, so it will help you. You tap again, you drag it down again. Tap, drag it down again. Tap, drag it down again, and you tap. Then you press escape. So we'll be editing it. So the department, edit. Sorry, go back, escape. Click on the text. You select edit M text. So you delete Calabo BK Divine, and you type your department. I'm in civil engineering, so you type civil engineering. You press OK to enter. Next up, mat number. So you click on it, you edit. So which mat number am I going to use? Okay, I'll use my own DE dot okay 20 dash dash slash dash 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 dash. So this is the format for the mat number. So you press enter. Next up for the course. Okay, this course we'll name this course AutoCAD Mobile Mastery. So let's enter it. AutoCAD Mobile Mastery. So this AutoCAD Mobile Mastery, press enter, and finally the date. What's today's date? You edit. So today is 24th of December. 24th December 2024. So like tomorrow is Christmas. Hope you're preparing for tomorrow. So we are done. So this is how it is. This is how simple it is to what? create your what title block. So when you're done now, you can save it. Thank you for watching. In our next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to bisect a given line. Make sure you watch the video. I'll also explain other tips and tricks that you can use in AutoCAD mobile apps. Take care. See you in our next video.